Most beginners fail to install Unity correctly. In this video, I'll show you the right way step by step. You'll learn how to install Unity, choose the correct modules, and create your first project. Welcome to Code to Intelligence. Let's get started. Now let's install two important tools, Unity for creating scenes and Visual Studio for writing and editing C# code. Now, we will see Unity installation steps. First, open your browser and go to the official Unity website. Then click on Download Unity Hub. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer and follow the steps to install Unity Hub. After installation, open Unity Hub and sign in using your Unity account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Next, go to the Install section and click on Install Editor. Choose the latest stable version of Unity. While installing, make sure to select important modules like Android build support and Windows build support, as they are required for AR and VR development. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. This may take some time depending on your system and internet speed. Along with Unity, Visual Studio will also be installed, which is used to write and edit C# scripts for controlling objects and interactions. If it is not installed automatically, go to your browser and search for Visual Studio, open the official Microsoft website, click on Download for Windows, and once the installer is downloaded, open it. Then select .NET Desktop Development and Game Development with Unity workloads. Click Install and wait for the setup to complete. Once everything is installed, your setup is ready. Now go to the Project section, click on New Project, select the 3D template, and create your first project. In the next video, we will explore the Unity interface and start building our first scene. Subscribe and start your journey from code to intelligence.